Well done. Hey, asante. Let's get settled.
Father, aciari na ciana murega Ngai nĩ mwega na hĩndĩ ciothe. Nĩngwenda ku request turugame nĩ ũndũ wa wimbo wa taifa tafadhali. Tukĩrĩkia rwĩmbo taifa Tisha Rosa akorwo haha nĩgetha tuhoithie. Sharos maombi. Na tuombe. Ithe witũ na nĩ thĩinĩ wa rĩĩtwa rĩa Mũrungu Jesũ Kristo ũrĩgĩnĩtwo kambere-inĩ ciaku mahinda-inĩ ma mahwa-inĩ tũkĩenda tu mũthamaki gũgũcokeria ngatho na gũgũtĩa na gũkwambararia nĩ tondũ we nĩwe ũkoretwo ũrĩ Ngai witũ. Tuuga nĩ wega mũthamaki nĩ tondũ wa gũkinyanĩria mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ Jehova Ngai na watũma tũgĩe na mũthenya mũthaka ona mũthenya wĩna riri Jehova Ngai wa matu-inĩ. Amũkĩra ngumo tũgoci mũthamaki nĩ tondũ nĩ ciaku Jehova Ngai wa matu-inĩ. Nĩ thengio baba nĩ tondũ wa wendo mũnene ũrĩa ũtwendire naguo kuma rũcinĩ Jehova Ngai watũtungatĩra mwathani wakorwo ũrĩ hamwe na ithuĩ watũgitĩra na watũmenyerera Jehova Ngai. Na rĩu mũthamaki nginya warĩkia gũtũma mwathani tũgĩe na ihinda rĩa gũcemania amũkĩra ngumo na ũgoci mũthamaki nĩ tondũ nĩ ciaku hwaĩ-inĩ mwega Jehova Ngai. Nĩ thengio mũthamaki nĩ tondũ mwathani wa okiconia mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ Jehova Ngai na gũcokeria ngatho nĩ tondũ mwathani wa gũtũma ikinyanĩre Jehova Ngai wa matu-inĩ. Nĩ twauga nĩ wega na nĩ twakwambararia nĩ tondũ we nĩ watũma mwathani ũndũ ũkinyanĩre Jehova Ngai. Amũkĩra ngumo na ũgoci baba nĩ tondũ nĩ ciaku. Nĩ thengio baba nĩ tondũ mwathani nĩ wĩkĩte wega thĩinĩ wa mĩtũrĩre itũ, nĩ wĩkĩte wega wa bũrũri witũ, nĩ wĩkĩte wega thĩinĩ wa mĩciĩ itũ. Mũthamaki nĩ twagũcokeria ngatho ona nĩ twakwambararia kĩambĩrĩria kĩrĩ gĩtagatũ na kĩrĩkĩro Jehova Ngai twacinengerana na kũrĩ we na nĩgetha ũkorwo wĩ mũtongoria witũ na nĩ thĩinĩ wa rĩĩtwa rĩa Mũrungu Jesũ Kristo twahoya ona twacokia ngatho. Asanteni, tuikare thĩ. Naitwa Gavana Daktari Mwalimu Kahiga wa MCA, waziri wote, staff na BOM, mwalimu mkuu, aciari na andũ othe mũrega. Ngai nĩ mwega na hĩndĩ ciothe. Nĩgũkaribisha gavana itũra rĩrĩ ritũ rĩa Othaya Shinga Ward. Njĩtagwo Jenny Ngũirũ, nĩ mũndũ ũtanjũĩ, sub county administrator.
Na mvenye ni mmoja nituchereiro ni gavana na tukenete na tumkaribisha huko. Ningetaka kumrequest mwalimu wa shule akuje akaribishe gavana na wageni wengine na introduce UM and the staff. Karibu.
Thank you. Your Excellency, Honorable Mutum Kahiga, our governor, Honorable MCA, Kiroga Bugu. You can also see the provincial administration, ACC, the chief, assistant chief, officials from the county government, all the BM members, teachers, parents, wanafunzi. Hamjambo? Bas, what is good? Another time? Yeah, that is very true. That is his nature. I thank God that we have this moment, a very important moment with us. As I had told you yesterday, I want to take this opportunity to welcome our guests, His Excellency Mutum Kahiga, our Governor, County Nyeri. Let me say, I'm Moses Wachira, the head of institution Kawago. We are very happy that you have found the time to visit us. We know you have a very busy schedule, but you have found the time to come and commission the projects done by the county government. We are very happy to see you here. And actually I now go because beginning of the term, I had dedicated to the learners, the BM members, that you will come. And actually I didn't know. And now it has come to be. Kwa hivyo hapa ni waambia gavana anakuja, sasa wanajua mwalimu Masani Nyogo. Kwa hivyo karibu sana. I want to very fast introduce my members of the board. Kindly step forward. Your Excellency, a very good team. We work together. When I invited them, we work as a team. They are very active and supportive. So, sitataja majina, lakini you can just wave and then, you sit. I want also to single out one person. We have a LEP or ECD, and I have incorporated him in the board because we work together. Oh, simama tu. Just wave. Yeah. My members of staff, teachers, wasimamia. Karibiani hapa kidogo ili sitaki vita hizi za kienda niambie huku tutoke pale mbele. I have a wonderful staff. 8 in the primary, 4 in the JS. Then you have 2 employed by the county government. And also, the parents of the BOU who have gone ahead to employ 2. That is the ECD. ECD will have 2 employed by the county government. The then we have 2 employed by the board. Also important to know that Kagongo has 2 ECD centers, one which we have just commissioned. We also have a standalone Uhoili, which is within the area of our mother church in CK8, which is our sponsor. Mwalimu nimwambia kwanza akaa huku angalia hawa wachunga hawa watoto. She is already there with a population of 18. So that is the staff. Bali Kati? Yeah, Kati. There is also one member of BOM that I have not introduced, and it is not proper if I skip that. Alana is supposed to be in the board. We have Mr. President. Natumpigia makofi mengi hapa. Huyo ndio tu nitakubali kutaja jina ya Alana's president. Amechaguliwa na anafanya kazi vizuri. Kahoi, tutasema kitu. Uko tayari? Tumalize tu. Tumpigie makofi. And he is not just a leader like that. He leads even academically. Number 1 throughout. Yes. Tumpatie nafasi kidogo as part of an introduction. It is important to do that.
Your Excellency, our Governor, our Honorable MCA, and all protocols observed. Good afternoon. First is to thank our Almighty God. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for attending this Red Day. Welcome to our humble school and feel at home. We all know that early childhood education is the foundation of every learner that undergoes the learning umbrella. It is the light to the future. Lastly, I would like to thank our Excellency Honorable Mutahi Kahiga on behalf of my fellow colleagues for constructing the ECDE block. It has moved our learning development in our school. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here. We really appreciate for your hard work done in our school. May God bless you and may you prosper like leaves in the summer. Have a fantabulous day.
Wonderful. Sasa, well done. Najua Yesu pale mtumii ati angetaka kukusalimia. Makofi kwake. Wonderful. Thank you. Sasa najua sasa sitakuwa na vita na amesema yote. I've said again that this is a very important